क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. फाइंड लीस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x1 minus x2 square plus 6 minus x1 minus square root of 1 minus x2 square whole square, where x1 belongs to R and x2 belongs to minus 1 to 1 to define this square root. आई एम श्योर जब ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएगा तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट इसको मैक्सिमा मिनिमा के कॉन्सेप्ट से करेंगे. क्या कॉन्सेप्ट होता है मैक्सिमा मिनिमा का? आप फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं और फिर डेरिवेटिव को जीरो से कंपेयर करते हैं. But in maxima minima, when you compare derivative to 0, we must have function in the form of one variable, but here we have two variables. So we cannot do this question by maxima minima. There is one smart approach to solve this question. But for that smart approach, our observation must be also smart. Now this is x1 minus x2 square. Okay, where you find such expression in coordinate geometry? आप कहां पे देखते हैं इस तरह का एक्सप्रेशन कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में, जहां पे आपको x1 माइनस x2 स्क्वायर प्लस सम डिफरेंस स्क्वायर मिल जाता हो इस तरह का फॉर्मूला? हाँ, कहां पे? डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला में. बट डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला तो इस तरह से होता है. Distance formula is like this: x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square square root. Okay, we can remove square by squaring this, but in distance formula we have this type of expression involved. Now we have x1 minus x2 square already. Can you write this in terms of y1 minus y2 square? लिख सकते हैं. If I consider this as y1 and this as y2, so we have x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, where y1 is equal to 6 minus x1 and y2 is square root of 1 minus x2 square. Now this is square of distance between points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. ये इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच के डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर है. पर ये पॉइंट्स है कहां पे? वेयर दिस पॉइंट लाइज? नाउ फॉर x1 y1 वी हैव रिलेशन y1 इज इक्वल टू 6 माइनस x1. इसका मतलब x1 कॉमा y1 पॉइंट लाइज ऑन विच कर्व? y इज इक्वल टू 6 माइनस x और x प्लस y माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. That means this point lies on this straight line. Okay, for x2 y2 we have this relation. If I square both sides and simplify, I can find that x2 comma y2 lies on the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. अब हमारे पास दो पॉइंट्स हैं. There are two variable points. One is moving along the straight line and one is moving on the circle. So let's draw these two curves. One is circle and one is straight line. This is circle with radius 1 and center at origin. So this is circle. And then we have straight line. X plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. x1 comma y1 point lies on this line. x2 comma y2 lies on this circle. Now we want to minimize this one. That means we have to minimize distance between these two variable points. That means shortest distance between these 2 points. Straight away between these two curves, where is shortest distance? That is along a normal, common normal in fact. Now normal of circle passes through origin. So from origin we draw a line which is also perpendicular to this straight line. This point is 0, 0. This line is x plus y minus 6. Then this distance is shortest distance. कैसे निकालेंगे distance? From this point you find the distance to this straight line. From that you subtract this radius. Now from this point to this line, what is distance? क्या होता है फॉर्मूला? पॉइंट से लाइन का जो डिस्टेंस है उसका फॉर्मूला होता है ना, we put 0, 0 here, so 0 plus 0 minus 6 divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. So we have 6 divided by square root of 2. Now this is radius, which is 1. So what is the shortest distance? This distance is 6 by root 2 minus 1. Then what is the least value of this? क्या होगा? ये वैल्यू है, इसका स्क्वायर होगा. Obviously इसका स्क्वायर, because this is actually what? Square root of this expression. Then this expression will have least value 6 by root 2 minus 1 square. तो देखो कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन को देख के कोई आइडिया नहीं लगा सकता कि ये क्वेश्चन शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस का है क्वेश्चन. पर अगर आप इस तरह का स्मार्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन करें कि x1 माइनस x2 स्क्वायर प्लस सम डिफरेंस स्क्वायर occurs where in coordinate geometry, that is distance formula, then you have next steps like if for distance formula we must have here y1 minus y2 square. तो हमने इसको y1 लिया एंड इसको y2 लिया. फिर हमें पता चला कि x1, y1 जो है वो इस स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर होगा एंड x2, y2 lies on this circle. That means this expression is square of shortest distance between these two curves. A very nice question.